Boopanpankids! Cow. The cow eats grass. The cow has a long tongue. Horse. The horse lives in the field. The horse can weigh up to 550 kilograms. The horse eats grass. Pig. The pig eats all kinds of food. The pig cannot bend his neck upward. The pig is a heavy animal. Chicken. The hen lays eggs. The hen lives in the farm. The hen doesn't fly. Sheep. The sheep's skin is covered in wool. The sheep live in groups. The sheep eats grass. Pigeon. The pigeon flies very fast. The pigeon symbolizes peace. The pigeon has very well-developed eyesight. Rooster. The rooster sings at daybreak. The rooster lives with the hens. The rooster is larger than the hen. Peacock. The peacock has large colored feathers. The peacock can fly short distances. The peacock eats seeds and fruit. Chick. The chicken is the baby hen. The chicken is born from an egg. The little chicken is yellow. Duckling. The little duck is yellow. The duck is an aquatic bird. The duckling is very curious. Peacock. Pigeon. Pig. Now try with 3 animals. Peacock. Chick. Horse. Rooster. Peacock. Now try with 3 animals. Chick. Rooster. Pig. Good. good. Now try with 4 animals. Chick. Woohoo! Duckling. Woohoo! Peacock. Woohoo! Woohoo! Very good. Now try with 5 animals. Sheep. Woohoo! Duckling. Woohoo! Pig. Woohoo! Woohoo! Excellent. Now try with the sounds of the animals.